In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore an inactive account in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're revisiting an overlooked account or simply need to reactivate a previously forgotten one, this quick and straightforward process can have you up and running in no time. Let's dive in. First, let's start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that and then select QuickBooks Online from the list of services. This ensures you're accessing the correct platform for your needs. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. Carefully input your username and password, then click Continue. Double check to make sure you've entered everything correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. Once you're signed in, we'll head over to the Transactions tab. This can be found on the main navigation menu, typically on the left-hand side of your screen. Clicking on this tab will open a range of options related to your business's transactions, so be sure to select the Transactions tab to proceed with restoring your account. Within the Transactions section, you'll now want to navigate to the Chart of Accounts option. The Chart of Accounts is where all the financial accounts in your general ledger are listed, making it the perfect place to restore inactive accounts. Look for the Chart of Accounts button and select it to move forward. Now that you're in the Chart of Accounts, it's important to make sure you can view all inactive accounts. For this, locate the gear icon. It's usually found in the upper right-hand corner of your Chart of Accounts page. Click on this gear icon and make sure to check the box that says Include Inactive. This step is crucial as it allows you to view and access all accounts that are currently inactive, preparing them for restoration. Once the inactive accounts are visible, search for the specific account you want to reactivate. When you found this account, you should see an option labeled Make Active next to it. Simply click on Make Active, and just like that, the account will be reinstated to active status. And there you have it, a clean, efficient method to restore an inactive account in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you can ensure that all necessary accounts are active and ready for your business's financial activities. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit these steps whenever you encounter inactive accounts that need to be reactivated.